Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the girl Tracy, and yes, today I'm cooking Jamaican hard food. Now and then, you need a little bit of the culture. You need a little bit of hard food in your system, in your body. Just trying it out, why not? So yes guys, we're gonna jump straight into this video. So over here guys, I've got some green banana, I've got a piece of yam, Jamaican sweet potato, pumpkin, and I also got some spelt flour to make dumplings. And I'm gonna take you along with me, and I'll be having this with some okra and butter beans. So guys, we're gonna jump straight into the video, but before that, why my sweet potato been looking like this guys is because I already washed it and scrape it off, because I'm gonna cook it like that in the skin. I'm gonna wash it over again and cook it. I won't be peeling the skin. Also, I'm gonna proper wash my bananas, and I'm gonna also cook it in the skin, because these bananas, I don't know why it's not like Jamaican banana where you can just peel it and they're so soft and succulent. No, these bananas is so hard, so when you cook it in the skin, it's more softer. So yes, it gets soft guys. So I don't really want to peel the banana, because as soon as it comes out, oh, it's hard. It's proper hard. But cook it in the skin, it keeps it soft. So that's the reason why I choose to cook it in the skin. And yeah, you don't want it to get black, so we're gonna add oil and some lemon juice in the pot. So I'm gonna take you along guys with me. So guys, we're just gonna cut the top of the green banana, and we're gonna cut the bottom, and then we're gonna slice it way down. If you can see, we're gonna cut it just like this. So that's how you're gonna do it guys. Just, yeah, and just lift it like that, and then we're gonna put it in this calabash right here. So that's how you're gonna do your banana. Just cut the top and the bottom and just slice it long way. So now that my water is boiling guys, I'm gonna add some oil to the pot, and I'm also gonna add some lime juice just to prevent it from go dark. You know, you don't want the dumpling to black. And now we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna add the green bananas to the pot. And we're gonna pop the lid on, and we're gonna allow that to cook for like 4 minutes before I add the rest of the hard food. So now guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add the sweet potato to the pot, and the yam. It's time now. So guys, you can see the color of the water is not dark. And I just slice the yam in thin slices guys. Yes, not too big. So I'm gonna allow that to cook for about 5 more minutes, then I add the dumpling in. So now guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add the dumpling to the pot, and make sure your hands are clean before you make the dumpling guys. And I need the flour from off the camera guys. So yeah, we're just gonna put the dumpling in the pot now. Some people put dumpling before the hard food, but for me, I like to put the hard food first before I add the dumpling in the pot, because this banana, so just gonna add dumpling just like that. And I'm not making them too big, because I don't like big dumplings. And I didn't add any salt to the pot guys, because you know I like to keep it Ital. Certain things you can add a tiny bit of salt, but I'm not gonna add no salt, because I'm not a salt person. So yes guys, so we're gonna make them dumpling, you know, and put them in. and you know spelt flour. So yes, you see guys, yes, that's how small I'm doing them, because I don't like big dumplings. So I'm gonna go and do the rest guys off camera. All right, so I'll see you then. Guys, I finished putting the dumplings in the pot. I'm gonna go ahead and take a fork. You don't want a spoon, and you're gonna stir in the pot because you don't want the dumpling to stick on each other. So you're gonna stir it. And remember, it's white dumpling, it's not wholemeal dumpling that takes ages to cook. No. So yeah, you're just gonna stir everything so they won't stick. Alright, and then you're gonna pop back your lid on and let it cook. And you know when dumpling cooks guys, floats to the top, that's when you know that the dumpling is cooked. So I'm gonna pop back the lid and I'm gonna leave it to cook while we go ahead and make our butter beans and okra, and I'm gonna take it with me on that. So now guys, we're gonna cook up okra and butter beans. So I'm adding some coconut oil to the pot, and I already go ahead and I already prepped a cup of Okra seasoning that I'm using, and I'm using some bell pepper, white onion, green spring onion, tomato, garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper. So we're going to add the garlic in with the scotch bonnet. So we're going to add some tomato, green spring onion, scallion, red bell pepper, and some white onion. And we're going to saute this off. This is just a nice, simple, and easy recipe, you guys. So guys, I switched pots, and I nearly forget to add the pumpkin, so I'm just going to add the pumpkin in the pot now. I know pumpkin does not take long to cook. So yes, while my seasoning's been sauteed off. So now that my seasoning sauteed off, guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my butter beans. And this is dry butter beans, guys. And I cooked it and freeze it. So whenever I need it, it's ready. So guys, I need a bit more sauce to the butter bean because you know we're eating hard food. So for that, I'm just adding some coconut oil, milk, and this is natural coconut milk. Yeah, and this is the sauce that you need because the butter bean already cooked, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our okra in. Yes, the coconut milk is just for flavor, guys. We're gonna add some black pepper, just half teaspoon of black pepper to that, and combine everything. So you can see the color change, guys. This is how I want it to look because I'm having it with hard food, so you need sauce to eat with it. And yeah, you can just use coconut milk instead because you know I don't eat saltfish and all of that. So if you want to add, we can use tofu, whatever you want to add today in it, you can go ahead and do so. If you want to add a bit of turmeric to it, you can go ahead and do so as well. So guys, this is all done. So we're going to plate up now, guys, for you to see. So guys, this is the final product of the hard food with butter beans and okra. So I've got banana, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, and spelt dumpling with some okra and butter beans and coconut milk. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, share, comment, Please turn your notification bell on so whenever I upload, you won't miss the video. Please, guys, please stay tuned for other content that coming up. I just want to say, guys, I'm going to go and big up on a nice health. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, guys, bye.